Hi guys, welcome back to Digital Fashion. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's tutorial is going to be based on how to cut this lovely kaftan. Is a rich antique kaftan. You can see I'm making use of 2.5 yards of dusted fabric to cut it out. You can see it now. Then the first folding is going to be into 2, then into 4. So this is after folding it out, this is into 4. As you can see, this is into 2, then into 4. This is for both back and front. Then the next thing I'm going to take here is going to be the length of my sleeve, where you want it to reach. So this is about 22.5 inches. As you can see, that means I'm using the whole wideness of what I've folded out. So the next thing I'm going to take is the shoulder slant of 1 inch, and here is it. So the next thing is going to be the length of the sleeve, where the core is going to start from. So I'll be making use of 18 inches. You can see, starting from the center of the back and front, to take the 18 inches for the sleeve length. Here is it. So from this point, I can now cuff it to the knee point. I want to take the neckline first. The wideness of the neckline here, I'm making use of 3.5 inches. So to that 18 inches, I'll now come to this point now and take my shoulder slant again. The previous one, we cannot use it anymore. Then we are slanting it from that 3.5 inches to the 18 inches. As you can see, I'm just trying to slant it to that point. Then I'll stop. I cannot take the length at which my core is going to end. So I'm taking length. So I'm making use of 26 inches at this point, 26 inches down. Then I'm going to make the wideness of the leg, the opening of the leg. So I'm making use of 15 inches, that is 60 inches. That means the wideness of the leg is going to be around 60 inches. So it will be very free. 60 inches, that's 15 in 4 places. So this is the area we're coming to. From this point, I cannot cuff it up to the 18 inches length of sleeve. You can see the way I'm cuffing it, just a little bit cuffing to this point. You can see. Then I'm going to cut it out. So it is from this, when you are sewing this particular style now, you're going to stop the shoulder at the 18 inches. Then you create an opening of at least 8 inches down. Then you start the sewing down to the full length again. You can see when I get to this area, I want to add some inches to it, just at least 1 inch for the seam allowance, so that by the time I stitch it down with 1 inch, then I'm still going to have the wideness of 60 inches. So you can see from that point, I straight it down to the full length of the dress. You can see it's a straight cut to the full length of the kaftan. So the next thing I'm going to do here is going to be the full length of the kaftan. I want to take it down so that I can cut out the excess when I get to the main length of the kaftan. So the length I'm making use of here is going to be around 55 inches. As you can see, this is 55 inches. Then the 55 inches is with the seam allowance, so I'm going to cut out the excess. As you can see, so this is how it's going to be. So the next thing here is to cut out the neckline. The neckline, you can see the shape of the kaftan. You can see how it is. Since we already have our wideness to be 3.5 inches, then I'm going to take the deepness to be 1.5 inches for the back. You can see 1.5 inches for the back. Then I'm going to cut it out. Then I can now open it so that I can lower the front neckline to go down a little bit. So I'm taking down 2 inches. That means the front neckline is going to be around 3.5 inches and the back neckline is 1.5. But these are not constant. It depends on the neckline, the deepness of the neckline you want to use. It depends on how wide you want yours to be. So you can see this is the point. By the time you stitch to this area, you leave some inches, like 8 inches for the opening of the sleeve, like this. Then you start to stitch again to the full length. So I'm done with the cutting. Let me go and stitch everything together and show it to you. So this is what I've done here. I just joined the shoulders together, the 2 shoulders. I've joined it together. You can see from the shoulder to the 18 inches. You can see this is where the 18 inches ends, and I left about 8 inches for the opening of the sleeve. That is where I inserted my hand into, you can see, and that is where you're going to put your hand after you sew it finish. You can put an inner belt to this particular style. It's just to make it fit at the waistline. You can see this is the other side of the sleeve as well. So after the opening of 8 inches, then you start joining the kaftan to the full length of the dress. So you can see how beautiful this turns out. If you are watching for the first time, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. Always see you in my next tutorial. Bye.